Ever wondered why the Toyota Corolla is one of the best-selling cars of all time? Since 1966, the Corolla has been a symbol of reliability, efficiency, and smart design. Today, we're taking a journey through 30 years of Corolla evolution, from 1990 all the way to 2020. We'll explore each generation's design changes, performance upgrades, tech improvements, and fun facts that made each model unique. Buckle up, because this is a ride through one of the most iconic compact cars in history. The early 90s Corolla, known as the E90 generation, featured a boxier yet modern design compared to the 80s. It had updated headlights and a more refined grille, giving it a cleaner look. Under the hood, it came with a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine, producing around 102 horsepower. Tech was simple, manual windows were standard, but some trims offered air conditioning and a basic stereo system. Fun fact, the E90 continued Toyota's streak of top reliability ratings, making it a favorite among commuters. Next came the E100, sometimes called the Bubble Corolla for its rounded edges. The body became more aerodynamic, with smoother headlights and a more spacious interior. Engine options expanded to include a 1.8-liter engine for better performance. Safety became a priority. Dual airbags and anti-lock brakes appeared in select trims. This generation helped Corolla cement its reputation worldwide, with millions of units sold across Asia, Europe, and North America. The E110. Corolla brought a sleeker, more modern look. Curved headlights and a new front fascia gave it a youthful appearance. Engine upgrades included a more efficient 1.8-liter four-cylinder, offering improved fuel economy. Inside, Toyota upgraded interior quality and introduced better sound systems. Fun fact, the E110 was widely used as taxis in several countries due to its low maintenance and high durability. In 2003, the Corolla entered the E120 generation. The body design became more contemporary, with sharper lines and a wider stance. Engines ranged from 1.4 to 1.8 liters, offering a balance of power and efficiency. Safety and tech advanced with optional side airbags, stability control, and CD players as standard in higher trims. This generation gained popularity among young drivers, thanks to its stylish design and reliable performance. The E140. Corolla marked a major evolution in both style and comfort. The front grille grew larger, headlights became more angular, and the interior featured improved ergonomics. Performance was enhanced with a 1.8-liter engine and CVT option in some markets. Infotainment systems were upgraded, and safety features like brake assist and side curtain airbags became widely available. This generation maintained Corolla's reputation for durability while attracting a more tech-savvy audience. The E170 generation brought a sportier, more aggressive design. The body lines were sharper, giving the Corolla a more dynamic presence on the road. Engine efficiency improved with dual VVTi technology, while interiors received higher quality materials and touchscreen infotainment systems. Fun fact, Toyota introduced hybrid variants in some markets, aligning with the growing demand for eco-friendly cars. This generation perfectly blended style, performance, and practicality. The latest E210 Corolla represents the most significant leap in design and technology. The exterior is bold and dynamic, featuring a low, wide stance, sleek headlights, and a modern grille. Engines include a mix of fuel-efficient 1.8-liter, 2.0-liter, and hybrid powertrains. Inside, the cabin is packed with advanced infotainment, digital displays, and Toyota Safety Sense, which includes lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and pre-collision systems. Fun fact, This generation has won multiple awards for design and safety, proving the Corolla continues to evolve with the times. 1990s. Boxy, reliable, simple technology. Focus on practicality. 2000s. Rounded and aerodynamic, better interiors and safety features. 2010s. Sportier, more tech-focused, introduction of hybrid models. 2020s. Bold styling, advanced safety, infotainment, and efficiency. From a simple, dependable, compact car in 1990 to a high-tech, sleek hybrid in 2020, the Toyota Corolla has evolved to meet the changing demands of drivers worldwide. Its legacy is built on reliability, practicality, and continuous innovation. Which Corolla generation is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey through automotive history, and finally, tell us in the comments what the next car we should talk about is. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car evolution videos.